Hello YouTube, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my disaster here. So it's another John Deere 4020 video, and the disaster is I had leak here in the back on the implement. I had leak here, so I decided it's time to have a kind of permanent fix. I just decided to replace all the tubings that I had here. You can see the old ones are there. So I replaced them, and I still need to put this guy back in. I have it anchored on the top so I can just easily move that around and take it out of there. So I didn't take the video of the details of this part of the job because this loader is aftermarket loader and it's not going to help anyone. I don't think it's going to do. But the part I wanted to show, one other thing, I also replaced all these tubings. I tried to find them in Tractor Supply. I found a couple of them, then they didn't have inventory. I went to Murdoch's. I bought them from there, but before going to Murdoch's I had no idea Murdoch has hydraulic tubing. But I went to a hydraulic shop, so the thing that's supposed to cost me $200 for all these tubes, they were offering to build them for me for $500. And honestly, I don't blame them because they have a lot of things compared to big corporates like Tractor Supply. They have a lot of things that they need to deal with, but just if you're looking for something on a budget, just keep these retailers in mind. So the other part that was leaking was here, so right inside this guy. And I opened this, I watched a few videos and they said that probably the O-ring inside of this is bad, and I removed the O-ring already. So you need a kind of hook or a dental tool that goes inside and then you can just grab it, take it out. But I removed 3 of them, and it wasn't actually an O-ring, it was a quad ring. And the 4th one, after I removed that, a white plastic piece came off. It was a kind of spring shape washer. And then I started looking into that. It's not just a simple O-ring that I can find and replace. It turned out that there is a whole seal kit for John Deere that is required for this implement. So as a result, I found that part number. I can't remember from the top of my head, but I will put that in the video here right now. And I bought that from the John Deere dealership, and it came with a million different O-rings and washers. But I watched another video that I will put the link here somewhere in the screen, that the guy was explaining which O-ring goes where, and he explains very calm, very nice, and I learned a lot. Kudos to him. But the only part I'm going to change, I'm not going to open the whole thing. I'm just going to add that quad ring here and put the washer. So the way he described it, the quad ring goes first and the washer goes after on the surface. So I'm going to just do that, hoping that there's no other leak inside. It's just the one that I observed. So hopefully it's going to work out for me. But yeah, I'm going to do one and show that in the video, and then at the end I'm going to power on the tractor and see if the leak is gone or not. Okay, so this is actually the part number AR82570. It's from John Deere, and it comes with an instruction, but the instruction, I just looked at it, is the true definition of worthless. So it doesn't have any information, any good diagram. Just refer to that video that I put the link in my video. So just take a look at that. The guy describes everything perfectly. So when you look inside, this is the quad ring that goes at the end for the implement. There's another one, and you can see there are a lot of seals here. There are different sizes of the washer, and I believe There's no marking, nothing. I believe these are not the ones because these are pretty big. This is the only one that matches the size. And I have one pair of the quad ring and one pair of the washer on each package. So each package is for one implement. So if you have something like my two implements, you need to buy 2 packs of this. But yeah, I'm gonna install one of them, and I think it's gonna be easy, but we'll see. Okay, so this is the tool that I use to take it out, and the way I did it, I just went inside, grabbed that, can you come closer, grabbed that here, and then took it out, and it came out pretty easy. But I'm guessing if we use something like this to remove it, there is a chance of damaging the quad ring. So if you're not planning to change it, don't take it out. So this is the one that I'm gonna put inside. And I'm guessing that it's gonna go like this. Seems it's in the right place, but just need to double check. Hopefully it's not twisted. But then the next piece is this. I'm gonna cut the video in a second to make sure that thing is not twisted. Okay, so this is like this. My theory is if I just twist it like this, it's gonna get smaller and it can go inside, and then I can release it inside. But my theory could be wrong. Let me see. Okay, quick confession. I tried a lot. My wife has smaller hands. She tried a lot. We could not figure out a way to put that inside. The quad ring is in, and I decided to make a call not to put this in. What could go wrong, right? After it leaks, we will figure it out. But yeah, I'm just gonna go with the quad ring, not doing that. If you want to learn how to do that, just watch that video. Maybe you have better eyes than me. So I'm gonna put this guy in, and then replace this guy, replace the other one, replace each.